Dear friends, as members of the World Association for Positive and Transcultural Psychotherapy, you have access to exclusive content on the official website of the association, hidden from ordinary site visitors. In order to open access to exclusive materials, please log into the site using a special membership password. After entering the site, you will see a new tab, Membership Area, open. Also, separately in the PPT Publications tab, two types of materials, Promo and Training, will open, visible only to those who entered the site with a password. These categories contain useful brochures, presentations, videos, infographics that you can download and use to promote the method or conduct trainings on PPT. If you do not remember the password to the site, you can always find it on the main page of your account on the WAPP member portal. Please enjoy exclusive access and share this video with your colleagues.